Hello, Dante here. You may know me as
Sorceranian40.
And thanks to there being 5 years of Sorceranian40, I wanted to show a remake of one of my older videos. It was a random video with stop motion and it was called The School Without Talking. So here's my 2016 version of it, for celebrating 5 years of Sorceranian40.
My favorite day. The last day of school.
Hey you!
Huh? What was?
No talking in this school! And why are you dressed like a knight?
This is actually a gladiator outfit.
Quiet!
But teacher—
No talking!
Just—
No talking or 5-hour detention!
What the— What the f— What kind of school is this?
Sorceranian40.